Now let's paint a boat coming towards us. So we're using just this one brush and one colour, and no pencil drawing. And here we go. So it has a curved shape like this. This is a Japanese fishing boat. And then the bow, I think that it's called the bow, the front bit comes up like that. The boats in Japan are very, very long, which is quite nice. So there we go. And then here, so we have this curving bit, and then here we have this flat bit. And okay. There we go. That's pretty good. Then we want to keep this wet because we're going to do the reflection soon. But next we do this bit. So like that, like that. That's the side. Then this bit is the front. And then that'll do. And we might have a little bit there. And then we've got these windows at the front. So just two in the middle there. And then we've got some windows by the side. 1, 2. And then we're going to do the roof across the top. So this is quite tricky. You need a steady hand. And keep this wet still. And then over here we've got some other bits on the other side, which is, it's difficult to guess exactly where they are. So just a suggestion will be fine. And then let's do this bit at the bottom now. So we want to copy the top part as accurately as possible in the bottom. And you have to paint fairly quickly because it dries very quickly. You can spray, that helps. You can also give it interesting texture too. And then we're going to make this edge wobbly because it's a reflection. So we do it zigzaggy like that along the edge, and little bits like that are nice. So try and do this with the minimum number of strokes. Each stroke counts. Don't play around with it. But now I am, because I didn't do that correctly. Okay, there we go. But if you notice, I am going through this or doing this pretty quickly, and that's important. Now I've rinsed my brush, wiped it, and then I'm going to go across here and just create that line. I like to do that. And we might do, shall we try and do a figure? This is not the right brush, but I just want to show you the kind of things you can do. So let's put a man here. That's his head. That's his body. There he is. Maybe that's an arm. and maybe he's doing something. There we go. And so we've got a figure there, maybe looking into the water. And then let's do some little details here. I'm not sure what exactly that is, maybe some kind of radar thing. And then we've got maybe some antenna going up there, and some post here, one. Maybe this is the back of the boat, and that's about it. So one brush and you can paint a boat. That's bleeding into there, that's fine, no problem. So please have a go, and you can use a pencil if you'd like to, but you really don't have to. You can do it all with just a brush. It's quite fun. That's it. Happy painting.